Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to pay with PayPal on eBay. So firstly, let us just choose something to buy. Let us choose, for example, some kind of, I don't know, let's try this laptop. So buy it now. I'm just going to check out as guests. Okay guys, and as you can see, we have PayPal credit in here. So it will be available after you fill in the necessary information. So as you can see, you just firstly input your country or region, first name, last name, street address, just basically your address, city, email, and your phone number. And after that, just when you press done, you will have this pay with option unlocked. As you can see, it's locked now. And you will have this PayPal option, which is first, and PayPal credit. So you can either pay with PayPal directly or with the credit that you have on PayPal. So this is the way, guys. As you can see, pretty simple, just a few steps. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.